fix guide to help you solve Hewlett Packard USB error prompt 480426187175, depending on what drivers you're using. Install error 0x80070103. It's a quick fix. You will have stuck in a loop. You will have retry. Some people in the forums are saying you can actually go in and put it on a holiday or put it on hold, and that doesn't fix the problem. You're stuck in the loop. It will keep being repeated. So the quickest solution is it's a device issue, basically. It's a HP device issue. So first, just type in printer or scanner. That could have been the problem. You may have installed this device driver or HP smart printer into your machine. So you select that. Once you select that, in here you will have the devices that are available. If it is one of those that are plugged in, it will tell you the device, the model, and the information. All you have to do, this is just an example, but for example, let's say the Microsoft Print PDF is the one that we're looking at, but it's not the one. This is just an example. But you may have HP DeskJack 8821. So click on that, and once you click on that, all you have to do is click on remove. And if you have other drivers that you've installed, also remove them, which may be relating to HP. Just remove them as well to prevent that from happening. Once you've done that, all you have to do is go back to update. Once you're back in update, what you have here, the options to put it on pause. Okay, this is what the forum were saying. Put it on pause for 2 weeks, then it will go away. No, it doesn't go away. It will come back and keep annoying you. So all you got to do is come back here and select probably 2 weeks, and then pause your update for 2 weeks. All you now do is once you resume updates, it will run the updates checker and then find out if the file is still being removed or everything, and it will tell you if you need an update. And that's all. You need to pause the update and then resume the update. Once you've done that, you should be able to get access without that HP annoyance. Once you've done that, when you reinstall your printer or DeskJack printer that you put in, make sure you install it from HP and follow the instructions, and do not unplug or interrupt your machine. Make sure you have internet power, and this will usually fix the problem. Okay, if it happens again, follow the same pattern and reinstall. It's a file stuck on your system. That could be the problem. It's not a bug, it's just a technical minor glitch on HP side of things with Windows applications. I hope this helps you, and if you need more help, just message me and I'll give you more guidance for more videos. Check out my new videos on my new channel. Have a nice day. Take care.